Zingbank results and the quick testimonials for this wonderful software, and last but not least for Jamie Lewis, who came up with this stuff. You may recognize or you may remember that I made a video which you will find on YouTube, Zingbank, this one, where I built a page from scratch, step by step, with the one-step developer. Everything is explained here in less than 7 minutes or so. And the next step was, okay, so let's flip this side. And what I did is I really switched my knowledge to exactly zero. I put it the brain switch to off, and I just did what Jamie and Zingbank has told me to do. Make a site, flip the site, make some cash. Even a newbie can do this, and here's the proof. I made this a brand new account, never used before, to sell some stuff. I set it up exactly the site I built on Zingbank, and as you see, it's already 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago. Yesterday, someone makes me an offer for $100 for this site, which is pretty cool, even in the comment section. And that's actually what I did. I sold this site, built in 7 minutes. Again, you can watch it here. It's all documented with this software, Zingbank, and it ends in $100. And again, I did nothing more than followed the steps that everyone can do that. And the cool part is we talk about domains, we talk about websites, which is one of the coolest things to sell anyway, because you never have a unique selling proposition that hard like on a domain, because any domain is just available one time. But I highly recommend Zingbank, easy to use. If you can click a mouse, you can build a website and then list it on Flipper and see what happens. I mean, $100 for 7 minutes of work, building a page, plus $9 for a domain. Pretty awesome, pretty great job. Thanks so much. And again, if you can read, if you can type in a URL, and if you can click a mouse button, you actually can do the same thanks to the software. Talk to you soon, guys. Cheers.